We extend our warmest greetings to His Excellency Shri Narendra Modi, Prime Minister of India, as he graces our nation with his presence. This visit signifies the enduring friendship between our two nations, a tie built on shared values and a commitment to peace and prosperity. The bond between India and Bhutan runs deep, forged through decades of mutual respect, trust, and cooperation. Through the years, India has been a steadfast partner, standing by Bhutan through thick and thin, supporting our nation's development aspirations and fostering prosperity for our people. Together, we have overcome challenges, celebrated achievements, and built a future of shared opportunities. As we welcome His Excellency Shri Narendra Modi to Bhutan, let us celebrate the timeless friendship between our two nations, a friendship that transcends borders and brings hope for a brighter future. May your visit deepen the bonds of friendship and cooperation between our two nations, now and forever.